guys, it's Miss Herbal. I'm here to help you with your math lesson. We're just going to do 3 questions together like we do on our boards. So you'll need your whiteboard and marker, even though I forgot mine. I'm going to bring mine tomorrow. And we do have a few money questions. So I'm going to go over the coins first. We're doing pretty good. We sometimes get confused between the nickel and the quarter, but we're doing pretty good. All right, ready? Let's try this one. Showing you both sides. Good. Penny, 1 cent. Who's that? Abraham Lincoln. And a building. Penny, 1 cent. So if you're going to count pennies, it's easy because it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. Next comes our nickel, right? Jefferson, a building worth 5 cents. So if you're going to count nickels, it's going to be by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, you know. All right. So the next one is the small one, but it's not worth a small amount. How much is it worth? 10 cents. It's a dime, 10 cents. Roosevelt, a torch, right? And then we have the quarter. Most kids know the quarter. There's an eagle on it, most of them, the old quarters. Sometimes they have the states and stuff, but we're going to stick with the eagle. Washington, quarter, 25 cents. And the quarter song is 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Right? That's how we kind of count quarters. All right, so for our CGI question today, our math question, this is it. It says, sorry. It says, Tegan has a piggy bank that has 7 dimes. So 7 tenths. Write them down. Draw them. 7 tenths. She has 7 tenths. Times 2 nickels. 2 nickels. And 4 pennies. How much money is in her piggy bank? I'm going to give you a minute to work that out. I'm going to write it down on my paper and we'll go over our answers. So, Tegan has a piggy bank that has 7 dimes, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. All right, and remember, we put the amounts inside the coins so you know what you're counting. Now, we're going to count a group of coins like this. Do we start at the pennies, the lower amounts? No, you always start with the biggest numbers so you can kind of get them out of the way. Kind of like when we learned how to count tens and ones, right? All right, so let's try it. It's going to be super easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, I always like to put the 2 nickels together to make another 10, right? But you can do 5s if you want. So we had, what, 70? I forgot already. I'm getting old. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Take it, my friend. You have 84 cents. Lucky duck. Good job. Now, if you did do it with 5s, you could do 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. You're still going to get 84 cents. But when I see 2 5s together, I just think of them as a dime, 10 cents, right? All right. Erase your board speedy quick if you're working along with Miss Herbal. The next one is with 10s and 1s. So listen carefully. So it's not going to be coins for this one. Okay, good. You ready? Freddie has $75 from his mom for his birthday, because his birthday's coming up. He spent $33 at the movies. The movies were kind of expensive. So how much money does he have left? The question was, Freddie has $75 and he spent $33. So are we adding or taking away? Subtracting. Yes, subtracting. All right, so this is what the real equation will look like. Subtracting. Try it out. All right, now, there's 2 ways that we solved this in our class. Let's see which way you did it. If you want 75 minus 33, you could start with your 75. And this is kind of how we draw our 10s and 1s now that we moved away from blocks. And now we can just draw it on our paper or our boards, okay? So 75, that's 7 10s and 5 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And I have to X out 33. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. And then I can go back and count how much I have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. 42 is my answer. Okay, now if I don't want to draw out all those blocks, I can use the good old-fashioned equations. Up to you. All right, 5 ones take away 3 ones is 2. 7 tens take away 3 tens is 4 tens. Are you still going to get the same answer? Yeah. So, did you solve it this way? Thumbs up. Or did you solve it this way? Thumbs up. Good. Does it matter? No. As long as you get the answer and get there quickly. Good job. Erase your board speedy quick if you're following along. Last question for math today. Mrs. Zerbel loves to play trivia on her phone. She earned 35 coins in her first game, and she earned 40 in the next game. So how many points did she earn altogether? 35 coins. Now, are you going to draw 35 coins? No, that would take too long. 35 coins and 40 coins in trivia. That's a lot of points, Miss Zerbel's smarty pants. All right, try it out while I work it out. All right, if you're following along, you could do it 2 ways. All right, the question was 35 plus 40 is the equation. Now remember, you got to keep your 1s with your 1s and your 10s with your 10s if you're doing the real equation. If you're drawing 10s and 1s, you need to do 35. So here's 35 and then 40 and then 40. Then you can count them. First you count the numbers 10. First you count the numbers 10. Then the little ones to the end. Then the little ones to the end. That's what we always sing, Army Math. It kind of helps us with our counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 is your answer. Miss Zerbel had 75 points in trivia. Now, if you did it this way, let's try it. 3 tens plus 4 tens is 7 tens. 5 ones plus no ones is still 5 ones. So the answer is 75. Did you get 75? Good job. Very nice. Now, you can go on Prodigy, you can go on MobyMax, but go on something and practice a little bit of the adding and subtracting today, okay? And your coins. Oh, you can also go on YouTube. I'll have to put them on our playlist. The coin songs, the money songs. So I will try to put those on our playlist so you'll have them to watch. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for St. Patrick's Day.